Have you ever wondered how companies stay connected during tough times? Freshly, a meal delivery service, faced major changes due to the pandemic and a takeover by Nestlé in 2020. They needed a solution to communicate effectively with employees, and that's where Livestorm came in. Freshly delivers over 32 million meals annually across the US. However, the pandemic forced employees to work from home. Communication about the acquisition was crucial but challenging. Richard, tasked with finding a video communication solution, explored numerous platforms. Frustrated by complex applications, Richard discovered Livestorm. What attracted him? It's browser-based, eliminating the need for installations, which meant enhanced security. He noted, for security reasons, our team avoids installing apps, making Livestorm an obvious choice. Not only was Livestorm secure, but it also provided instant meeting access. This was vital for employees on the go, like those in food packaging plants attending meetings via mobile phones. Despite the challenges faced, Freshly used Livestorm to foster communication and collaboration. The management organized meetings hosted by the CEOs of Nestlé and Freshly. These sessions engaged over 1,000 employees, with real-time Q&A features. Richard highlighted the importance of reaching large audiences seamlessly. He affirmed, if you want an equal rendering in video, there is no better choice than Livestorm. Its browser accessibility adds to a smooth user experience, allowing teams to focus on engaging. Engagement tools like online chat and polls are all integrated within Livestorm. This integration reduces the hassle of managing multiple tools and cuts costs. Richard emphasized, Livestorm is easy to use and offers many engagement tools. Thanks to Livestorm, Freshly organized these large-scale internal events effortlessly. The recurring events feature further streamlined scheduling, maintaining a single registration page for multiple meetings. As Freshly navigated this transformative period, they expanded Livestorm's use. Upcoming onboarding and remote training sessions will also utilize Livestorm's capabilities. Richard is already creating safety training for hundreds of employees at once. Ready to streamline your communications like Freshly? Create a free account on Livestorm today.